Hello guys and welcome to our section 5. So section 5 is about modular configuration of our Ansible playbooks with roles. So this is a video, and in this video we will learn a small overview about the roles, that what it is like all about. So what role is basically grouping of certain, we can say, task, a number of steps together so that we don't have to repeat it again and again. So it is very handy when it comes to loading or including any number of calling any number of handlers or templates or variables to our master playbook. So if I just show you guys, so if you remember, this is our main code directory and we had this small directory called roles. If you go inside this roles, you can see these are number of roles that I've created for just to show you guys, and we will learn more about how we basically use them and how we have to actually modify our Ansible playbooks to use these roles. Roles comprises of a number of directories inside them, like task, handler, files, and the main directory being the task. There is a file called main.yml, which will be a simple YAML file inside the directory, and the main list of tasks, or we can say steps, that we have to actually call for like any purpose are in this file main.yml, and from this file we include all our variables and call our templates and handlers. So the biggest advantage of using roles is, firstly, it keeps our master playbook clean and comprised and very good arranged. And secondly, it prevents us to rewrite the same block of code again and again. So let's say if we have 100 playbooks for different functions, and let's say if there is a number of steps that we have to kind of need in mostly all the playbooks. So it's like setup of nginx or create some instance, spin up of instance or termination. So you don't have to use or you can say you don't have to rewrite those number of steps or tasks again and again in all the playbooks you need. You have to simply use this one particular name of that role in any number of playbooks you want, and that role will have that same task that you need. So it prevents reusing of any number of codes or tasks. So it's a very good practice to use roles, and it is very handy when it comes to debugging as well.